What's up, everyone? It's Jay and Karen.
Hello.
It's Saturday and we're outsourcing. They got a $1 tent sale at one of our local consignment stops, so we're gonna find some good stuff there, I'm sure.
We're
and then
here early. They're setting up right now.
They're setting up right now, so we're
ready to pounce.
We're ready to pounce on that sale. There is a huge amount of stuff they're putting out right now, so we're gonna get in there and show you what they got. So we are at Uptown Consignment. They are having a tent sale. Everything here is $1. You put it in a bag, you bring it to the register, and it all costs $1. We brought Jasmine with us today.
Hello.
What's up, Jasmine? What are you finding?
Lots of good stuff.
What's your best brand so far?
Oh, that's a good stuff. There's a Millie dress.
Oh, Millie dress. Nice. What are you going to flip it for?
I have no idea.
Something good, I'm sure. So it's $1. There's profit in everything out here right now. So there's a ton of great stuff. This is Uptown Consignment in Hamden. Come check it out. We got Karen. She's finding stuff. What'd you find, man?
I just found this for my son.
Oh, we got something for the little guy, Ty. What else you finding today?
Yes, pepperoni kind.
Nice.
Butter.
Bread and butter. You can't beat that. All right, so they have a ton of stuff here. I just walked in. The first thing I noticed was a Lily Pulitzer dress. Right on the mannequin. Everything's 20% off today, but they have a ton of stuff around here. Everything is vetted before it comes in, so there's probably not a lot of damage to it. This is a consignment shop. How you doing? Good. So everything gets vetted before it comes in. They got a men's section over here. Lots of good stuff. I found some good stuff in here. Look at this stuff. Modern Amusement. That's a cool shirt. Their prices are pretty good. I found polos for $5. Vineyard Vines for $16, which isn't too bad for consignment prices. Shorts are all $10, which isn't bad. It's a good little place. They got a lot of stuff here. Come check them out. Alright, so I am here with Jackie. She's the manager of Uptown Consignments on this wonderful day with the $1 tent sale and everything going on. She's just been telling me a little bit about her store, so why don't you tell us a little bit about the store real quick.
Alright, so basically this location is our Hamden location. It's our newest location. We do have 3 other stores in Rocky Hill, South Windsor, and Southington. Uptown in general has been open for almost 30 years now. This location is coming up on our 1st year this Wednesday, actually, so happy anniversary to us.
Happy anniversary.
Uptown, we mainly focus on newer designer stuff for people, but we also make sure that we carry everything, so it's not like we're only designer stuff. A lot of people get in their heads that we only take the high-end stuff, but honestly, we take some of the best sellers are like the Walmart, the Kmart,
consignments for everything now, yeah.
$1. Like, who doesn't want to spend $1 on stuff that's out there? It's fantastic. I was pulling True Religions for out there.
I saw we just found some out there, so we're excited about those, yeah.
Right?
When you take stuff in, do you pay a certain percentage, or is there a certain dollar amount, or how does that work?
So normally we pay 40% of the selling price on items.
When it sells, or do you pay up front?
So when it sells, you receive the 40%. It goes directly into your account.
Okay.
You can take it out as cash or use it to shop in the store, depending on what your preference is. However, there is a top 10 list that we pay 55% on. And that's your Vineyard Vines, your Yankee Candle,
all the good stuff.
Crew, yeah,
all the good stuff that you want, yeah.
So people will bring it to us.
Okay.
And then we have a 60% code, which is the good stuff. That's the Louis Vuitton, that's Bottega Veneta, that's Chanel. So that's the stuff that you get.
The real good stuff. Yeah, the solid good stuff.
There's different tiers for it.
Yeah.
But so basically, you're gonna get 40 to 60% depending on what your item is. But honestly, it racks up fast. Like I consigned last week, and I already have $50 in my account. Like. So
they're flipping stuff fast here. Do you have an online presence? Do you sell online?
We have online presence, not the consignment stuff. We have a luxury handbag website, which is uptownhandbags.com. It's our sister store, but we do sell stuff online. The consignment stuff, we will post it online, but it's still all sales are in store.
Okay. So they have a lot of great stuff here. I had a chance, I actually filmed a little bit about the store over there. Their prices are phenomenal. Their men's stuff is great. You can find a good bargain here. There's room for profit. There's room for everyone down here. So come take a look at Uptown Consignments. We're on Whitney Ave in Hamden. Come check them out.
All right, thanks guys.
Thanks, Jackie. Have a great day. Look at all this great stuff. We filled our trunk for $100. Great brands, great quality. We found something for all mankind. We found True Religion for $1. We found Page, we found Frame, we found everything here. There's a ton of good
Lily
stuff.
Pulitzer.
Get on their email list. Find a consignment shop in your local town. Get on their email list. You'll find sales just like this at all these shops. They're worth checking out. So guys, if you've enjoyed this video, definitely subscribe to our channel. We talk about Poshmark and reselling all the time. Give us a thumbs up and like the video, and we'll see you guys on the next vlog. You guys have a great day.